Hello everyone, this is Nancy Punjabi and welcome back to my channel. Today we will unbox Evota's all new AI 4K PTZ camera and review it in real time. Everything inside this box is neatly packed and well protected. Let's get our hands onto it and see if it lives up to the hype. It comes with a user manual. It includes all the hows and whys about operating the camera and explained in many languages. Always important to keep this handy. Next comes this pizza looking box with a remote and HDMI cable. Another pizza box with an adapter and a power cable. Here comes the main character, the camera. Wow, this camera feels incredibly sturdy and well built. It has a sleek, professional design, and this is the lid that we uncover. At the bottom is the display and at the back is the interface of the camera. All of these are of different hues. Here is the reset button for a factory reset, and this is for the LAN connection and internet. These two are for integrating your camera into a CCTV system. The line-in option for connecting the mic while recording. This is an HDMI port and is also used for surveillance setup. The DC12V is connected with an adapter cable. And here is the USB port for connecting the system and USB cable. And lastly, there's a power switch button adjacent to it. There we have it, everything you need to get started with AI 4K PTZ camera. Let me show you how you can directly connect this camera to a laptop and view outputs instantly. Firstly, take the USB cable and connect it to the USB port of your laptop, and take the second end and connect it to the port in the back interface of the camera. As you can see, my AI camera with the sleek design has started and it is so seamless. The main USP of PTZ camera is the remote controller. You can independently shoot by setting frames and presets. You can zoom in or zoom out, set it to auto frame or frame tracking. So this was the complete detailed unboxing. Now let's come check operate it in real time and see how it works. Come, let me give you a demo of how to operate this camera. By clicking on the menu, you get these visible options and you can adjust everything as per your lighting and needs. By pressing auto, manual, preset and 1, you will preset a frame by default. By setting it on single tracking, it will track me and set my frame accordingly whether I walk or move. And by pressing stop tracking, it will come to its default frame that I had preset. With this feature of the auto frame, as the number of people starts adding to the frame will automatically expand. This AI feature is really helpful for teachers to collaborate with students while in a class. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.